Hi everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted this huge infrared mat. I can't wait to show you. Comes in a really nice box. You get a super easy to use guide. You get glasses to protect your eyes and a nice little cleaning cloth. And then you get the mat and all of the cords. So let's learn how to put it together, learn how to use the control, see what it's like in action, and learn all the things. The first thing you're going to do is you are going to plug this cord into the power section. You can see you have a really nice long cord, and then these two cords just pop right together. This is your controller, and then you come over here, and on the back of the mat is the last cord, and you put these together and tighten this, and then you're ready to go. So this is nice and padded, but it's very thin, so you can also roll it back up. I love this top part because it has Velcro on the sides, and you can make this little part for your head here, which is really, really nice. The back has really nice, thick material, and on the front, you have a beautiful covering. It is super thick, waterproof, really easy to clean. And then this is the showstopper. You get 1,420 LED lights. You have neoprene on the side. Now let's see how it works. Just turn it on right here. You can set a timer from 10 to 90 minutes, and then it will shut off automatically for you. You can adjust the brightness with these two easy to use buttons on the right and left. The bottom button changes your mode, and then the top button here is for your frequency. Okay, first, let me tell you what I love about this. It is huge, number one. Number two, so comfortable. No odor, and it is padded, so it feels great. And the material is awesome. I don't feel like I'm getting stuck to it, but yet you can wipe it off. It feels really soft, almost silky to the touch for a plastic. And I know that might sound weird, but it feels great. And you get so many lights, 1,420. You get 660 nm red light, which is visible, and 850 nm infrared, which are invisible. So this is going to take care of all the things. I love that you can roll it up to store it. You really can't go wrong. This one is a winner in my book. Check it out.